Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video, I'm going to be drawing Miles Morales from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you're all well and you've had a great new year. This is the second Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse drawing that I've done over the last couple of weeks. I've recently been to see the movie and I thought it was absolutely phenomenal. One of the best movies I've seen, let alone one of the best Spider-Man movies I've seen. I'll put a link above to the last video that I did, which was a scribble art of Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. But I thought I'd give this one a go with the Copic markers. I've not had the Copic markers out for a while. So, as you can see there, I free-handed the drawing in. This is actually Spider-Man on the side of a building. It's sort of on the edge of I guess it's a skyscraper or something like that. And I've got the Copic markers out again. So for those of you that haven't seen any of my Copic marker videos, Copic markers are alcohol based. They're sort of a felt tip pen. But the beauty with the Copic markers is you can actually blend with them. And as you can see there on Spider-Man's chest, what I'm doing is I'm getting a gradation of colour, a little bit like what I do with the pencils when I use the pencils. One of the things to try and create realism, even if it's a cartoon, you want to try and make it look realistic in the sense that things have got a curve to them and edges to them. What you want to try and do is you want to have a gradation of colour or value if you're using pencils. Obviously in this case we're using colour. So you can see in the chest area that we're going from a darker red into a lighter pink. You'll really start to see this in a second as I'm going on adding some of the colours to Spider-Man's leg. He's actually got a black suit on in the Into the Spider-Verse. It's Miles Morales, so it's not Peter Parker. And he actually has mainly a black suit with red highlights and red hints to it. But adding some dimension to the legs and the thigh area, what I'm doing is I'm using the greys and the black. So I'm not going straight in with the black. I'm actually using cool grey 7, 3, 5 and 1 in the lightest area, and then a black in the darkest areas. And this is a process that you'll see me using all over the drawing really. You can actually see it in Spider-Man's eye that I've just been doing a second ago. I'm going from a lighter colour all the way up into a darker grey. And again, what this does is it just tricks the mind into thinking that what we're looking at is something that's got shape and dimension to it. And like I've said in previous videos, this is one of the most important things that you can do in any of your drawings, is to try and add dimension and curve. I'm having loads of fun with the channel, guys. I've had quite a few new subscribers over the holiday season, so hello to the new subscribers. Thank you so much for checking the channel out. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. If you've got any requests for me, don't forget, leave them down in the comments down below, or you can get hold of me on social media. The links to all of my social platforms are down below in the descriptions. It would be really great to connect with you on there. I'm doing scribble art Sundays on Sundays, so if you've got something you'd like me to do as a scribble art, then like I say, leave me a comment down below. If you haven't looked at any of the scribble arts, go and check those out. I'm really enjoying doing them. And also obviously the Copic marker stuff, which I've been doing now for over a year. I'm almost finished with this Spider-Man, so just before we get to the end of it, I just wanted to all thank you so much once again for all of your comments, likes and shares. I do really appreciate them. I'm having such a blast with the channel. That's my finished Miles Morales. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.